Shit. Yeah. Alright YouTube, today is the ride day, SBK 2019. It is mighty chilly out here. Check this thing out. Hold on, look at this clapped out mobile. I don't know. Alright, we'll pick it up on the road, but should be an interesting day. Alright, hello YouTube. Yeah. Today's secret word for Team Snap will be elephant. We're gonna top her off now, but I'm sure we'll stop before the ride. All right, guys, let me show you what we're working with for today for the group ride. We have a 2015 or 2014 Honda Grom. It has a 2017 1819 front headlight. So it has this crash cage, which I'm not too used to, but running around yesterday it wasn't that bad. So it now has a 37 rear sprocket. It had a 34 stock. I'm gonna tighten this guy up a little bit. All right. See what these guys are talking about. I don't fucking team up with anybody. Rider one. When the cops come, every man for himself. Yeah, we're teamed up. Cops come. I'm gonna try some early wheelies. Get comfortable. Oh yeah, second gears pull up now. All right, yeah, she feels a lot better. This is third gear right here. Stretch it out. Should be an exciting little ride. So if you guys are new here, make sure you mash that subscribe button. 2019 is going to be pretty wild. We're going to try to do some more of these group rides around the country. Just fly out and borrow Groms, kind of like we're doing for this weekend. Oh my God. We got there. Whew. Oh, squirrel! Oh my God! He just clipped a fucking squirrel in a wheelie. We talked about this. Saving that turtle does nothing if you're gonna run over squirrels' fucking tails in a wheelie. That was amazing. I hope I got that on GoPro. Holy shit. Could have got fucking killed by a wheelie. A shitty Lewis wheelie. Hashtag sorry, Vita. Lewis! You almost killed a squirrel. Did you see that? You were doing a wheelie. It ran through. You ran over his tail. You were in a wheelie. It ran on your back. I was like, it's dead. You hit his tail like this and then ran across. He almost fucking killed it. Apologize to PETA. PETA. Just say sorry. Sorry, PETA. He apologized, PETA. Let's just keep it PG, alright? Don't be coming to our fucking squad and throwing paint on us and shit. He didn't mean to. Lewis is starting to enjoy the fact that, oh, there's a big rock there. Don't run it over. Look at that fucker. He's starting to enjoy the fact he has knobbies now. Alright, so third gears are a little bit tricky. Once you get the balance point finally, it kind of... To the exhaust? Or shifting? You burn a hole in your foot? This fucking big toe's hanging out. I bet you his toe's cold now. So he's doing that, and then the exhaust melted his shoe. Alright guys, so we're heading over to Maxim, Honda and Yamaha. Fucking big bikes. And that's where the meetup starts. So it starts at 10 or 10:30 or whatever time it is. And the ride, I think, is at 1 or 1:30, something like that. So I think it's just a big parking lot hangout, hard park, and meet and greet and whatnot. So that'll be fun. Should be a good little weekend though. And then from there, I don't know what the route is, but I know it's going to be a long ride. So Supermotos, I think, set the pace at about 45-50 miles an hour. They're going to be stunt bikes. Dank Wheelies here this weekend. I think he got a 636. He'll be out here somewhere. I don't know if I'll see him in the pack. 600, 700 riders might be a little... I don't even know if I'll see any of these guys in the pack. All right, welcome to Maxim for SBK 2019. Hey, Kareless. What's up, Pip?
Hey, how are you doing?
What's up, man? Good to see you again. It's colder than last time.
We got fucking food, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it. That's what we got this morning. It's Saturday. You got to get Chick-fil-A.
That's exactly,
you can't pass up on that opportunity. This is a nice setup you got now.
Dude, I appreciate it. Yeah, we're lucky we got to bring the DJ out, man.
Nice.
How travels for you? Because this isn't your bike, right?
No, this is someone else's local. I just flew in with Lewis and brought my camera. And
I absolutely love your content, man.
I appreciate it, dude.
Fucking well.
I appreciate it.
I really mean that from my heart, man. You do an awesome job.
You're such a nice stop, man. You're so nice, man.
Hey, dude, if you need anything from us, brother, I swear to God, y'all are family, bro.
I appreciate it, bro.
You need it all, man. You're more
I appreciate it. We're gonna park.
Hey, cheers, brother.
All right, we'll see you. Evan from Kareless, nicest fucking guy you'll ever meet. I'm gonna transfer over to vlog camera, and yeah, we'll see you in a bloop.
I love this guy. He's a beautiful man. Shout out to our Florida family. I love y'all. Seriously, from Texas, you're amazing.
Such a fucking nice guy.
Because I really respect good people, and this is a good person.
Sure, give me bro hugs. Love you, Evan, bro.
I didn't even think about that. We'll figure it
All right, so people are starting to show up. I saw Jake. I didn't say hi, you know, whatever. Super Dave apparently Yami Noob did a bike giveaway, and it's gonna be in Tampa in the winter, so we might have a ride back in Tampa for that. But we're starting to see Groms show up, big bikes show up, and starting to fill up. Let's go see what Groms we have here. Apparently a whole fucking squad just pulled up. Denver, I think.
Levi.
James.
I helped Photogromer.
What's up, man? Eric. James. I'm the one that's been hitting you up.
Yep. All right, we're gonna go ride a little bit, ride. So a lot of people are showing up now, but we're just gonna go rip it around, do a couple of wheelies before the ride starts. We still got like 3 hours before that happens, so you know, see if we can't get in a little trouble. I haven't seen Dank Wheelie yet. Maybe it's in this fucking crowd. No, I don't think so. There's a squirrel on the back of that dude's head, not the one Lewis killed, I don't think. Shit. Yeah. You give me a piece? That dude just gave me the peace sign. Fucking coolest cop ever. Oh, I fucking love it here. Let me go fuck around in some of these parking lots real quick. I just want to practice a little bit with this new sprocket. Feels so good. Security guard right here. See that dude? Lewis. The cop just gave me the piece. I was not expecting that. I thought for sure I was getting pulled over. So we're just fucking around real quick. Get a little antsy just sitting there. That guy was recording? Oh. Some security guards recording. Alright, we'll dip. I guess some security guard was recording there, that guy that was walking out. I saw him out of the corner of my eye. I thought he was just going home. You got leaning on me, right? I was gonna say put the handlebar on it. Alright, let me get a little drink. Alright, we got Jesus here now. 4 loops. Nice. Let's see if we can make it 5. Alex only has 2. Bullshit. I don't believe that. Got me a Snickers and a Red Bull, so I should be good for the rest of the pre-meet. That cop's still there. The cops are parked there now. So apparently the cops are gonna block traffic. That was him right there. Are gonna block traffic for us once we pull out of here. So that's kind of cool. So we're gonna park these things and wait till we're got the numbers with us, and then we'll fuck around a little bit more. Whew. Yeah, hot dog and chips, huh? Hell yeah. Yo. Which ones? Yeah, there's a whole stack.
Oh, it's a Red Bull. Red Bull. Oh, Red Bull.
You're leaking Red Bull.
I got scared. I'm like, what? I was like, shit. Appreciate it, sir.
Yeah. Thought he was leaking coolant, but it's Red Bull.
Oh, shit.
What are you doing? Lewis, that was fucking $2.50. Yeah. What happened, Lewis? Tell us.
Police chase. It was crazy.